Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm pretty sure that you guys already figured it out. The look that I'm going to be showing you today, the Daddy's Little Monster Harley Quinn. So I think this character doesn't need more introduction, so let's jump into the video right now. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start with my brows, and today I'm using the Peripera's Speedy Eyebrow Auto Pencil in brown. Harley Quinn doesn't have high arch eyebrows, but they are very dark, so I'm just making sure of fill out my brows perfectly. Because I'll be using a heavy full coverage foundation, I need a hydrating primer. That is why today I'm using the No Pore Problem Prime Essence. For this look, you need the lightest foundation that you may have. I'm using the Morphe's Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the color F1.10. To prep my eyelids for the eyeshadows and conceal my under eye circles, I'm using the Morphe's Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in the color C1.25. To set the foundation and concealer in place, I'm using the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I love this powder because always that I use it, it makes my skin look so flawless and poreless, and my makeup stays in place all day long. To give my face a slight definition and dimension, especially in the cheekbones and jawline, I'm using the Essence Contouring Duo Palette in the color 10 Lighter Skin. Now for the eyes, I'm going to start using the Morphe's by James Charles palette, and I'm going to start with a light brown color and use it as a transition shade or more like a guide to know where I'm going to place my other eyeshadows. Then from the same palette, I'm going to use the bright blue. I'm going to place this color all over my eyelid, drag it to the bottom lash line, and even almost until the start of my cheek. The idea is to make it look all smudged and kind of all over the place. To brighten a little bit more the blue, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette, and with my finger I'm going to apply the color Dalia. From the same James Charles palette, I'm going to grab the bright red eyeshadow and apply it the same way I did it with the blue color. Now, from the Fairy Tales palette of Storybooks Cosmetics, I'm going to use the eyeshadow red to intensify the color of this eye. The same way I did it with the blue eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it with my finger. To give that smokiness to this look, I'm using a black eyeliner in the bottom lash line and smudging it out with my finger. To create a dramatic wing eyeliner, I'm using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner in the color Ultra Black. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Seduce. As you can see, I'm going heavy and higher with the blush. Now, to apply the fake lashes, I'm using the Case Lash Glue Liner in black. For mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Lash Freak. As a highlighter, I'm using the Bellapierre Cosmetics Pigment in the color Exit. To draw the heart tattoo, I'm using the same Wet n Wild eyeliner. Moving to the lips, I'm using the Rimmel London Exaggerate Lip Liner in the color Ravish. And now for the lipstick, I want a deep, intense red, almost brownish, so I'm using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Havana Nights. As a final touches, I'm using the same Bellapierre pigment to brighten the inner corners and intensify the highlighter in my Cupid's bow. And here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video because I had so much fun recreating this look. Look forward to my last Halloween look next week. So I see you in my next video. Bye!